नमस्ते अंकल. हेलो अंकल. हेलो अंकल. भगवानले तिम्रो रक्षा गरून्. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. त्यो ठीक छ. That is all right. That is all right. म बाटोमा छु. I am on the way. I am on the way. के तपाईँ अंग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? कृपया चुपचाप बस्नुहोस्. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. यसो भन्ने हिम्मत कसरी भयो? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? म मेरो स्तरबाट सक्दो प्रयास गर्नेछु. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. म तपाईको विचारसँग सहमत हुन सक्दिनँ. I cannot agree with your opinions. I cannot agree with your opinions. भिडबाट बिस्तारै जानुहोस्. Go slow from the crowd. Go slow from the crowd. तपाईँ अहिले कस्तो महसुस गर्नुहुन्छ? How do you feel? How do you feel? म यस विषयमा धेरै कडा छु. I am very strict on this matter. I am very strict on this matter. म यति बेला व्यस्त छु. I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. यो गर्नै पर्छ. It has to be done. It has to be done. तपाईको मनपर्ने विषय के हो? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? भगवानले तपाईलाई आशीर्वाद दिनुहुन्छ. God bless you. God bless you. ओछ्यान तयार गर्नुहोस्. Prepare the bed. Prepare the bed. नडराऊ. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. बत्ती निभाऊ. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. एक टुक्रा लिनुहोस्. Take a bite. Take a bite. आफ्नो मुख धोऊ. Wash your face. Wash your face. आफ्ना ठुलाहरूलाई सम्मान गर्नुहोस्. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. के तपाईसँग कुनै गृह कार्य छ? Do you have any homework? Do you have any homework? बिहानैको खाजा खानुहोस्. Have your breakfast. Have your breakfast. म सहमत छु. I agree. I agree. पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. Try again. पुनः प्रयास गर्नुहोस्. Try again. पानी पिऊ. Drink water. Drink water. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई लाइक, फलो, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.